Good morning, class 11 students. In the last videos, we have completed few questions of trigonometry. Okay, now there will be no extra topic will be started. Okay, all the theories have been told to you. All the formulas has been given to you for the chapter trigonometry. Your job was to, before continuing this video, before starting this video, your job is to remember all the formulas. Then only you please see this video. Otherwise, you will not understand. Because now each and every formula should be there in the lips. Because any question, we have to check out the formulas. Then only we apply. If you know the formulas, then only we can apply. If you don't know, we cannot apply. Okay. Now, I can give you an overall gist. Last video also I have told you. Any question which you face, what to do with the question, how will understand? By seeing the angles, right? Angles will help us to decide what step we need to do. Okay, in every question it is like this. So we'll check the angles. By checking the angles of LHS and RHS, we understand which formula to apply. Okay, now for example, formula cannot be applicable. Formula hai nahi. So try to make it in a formula pattern. Okay, step 1, observe the angles. You can write down beside somewhere. General steps to follow. Step 1, observe the angles of LHS and RHS. Step 2, considering the angles of LHS and RHS, see which formula need to be applied. Okay, step 3, if formula is not applicable, make it in formula pattern. Step 4, after application of formula, there must be common. Common aayega. The things will cancel out. Okay, so if these steps are following every question, then you are doing it correctly. Otherwise, you are not doing it correctly. And there are few questions, odd type sums. We will do it where you have to do something wonder of the world. Okay, something special you have to do. Those things we will do later on. Okay, now see, first question. Prove that P oblique T, in shortcut I am saying it is prove that cos 6x plus cos 4x divided by sin 6x minus sin 4x equals to cot x. Okay, so this is the most simplest question. The level of question will increase as we go down. Okay, so I am doing in that way. Take the LHS of the first question. Cos 6x plus cos 4x cos sin 6x minus sin 4x. Now check the angle of the LHS. 6x 4x 6x 4x, but angle of the RHS is x. अब मैं इनके साथ ऐसा कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगाऊं कि ये एंगल आ जाए. दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. अगेन एंगल देखना है. ऑलवेज यू विल थिंक एंगल. मैं ये किस फॉर्मूला में दिख रहा है आपको? cos a प्लस cos b. ऐसा भी दिखता है. cos 2 into a 2 into 3x. cos 2a I can see. cos 2a 2 into 2x वो भी दिख रहा है. तो whether we will apply cos 2 into 3x or we apply cos a plus cos b, वो डिपेंड करता है are we getting the RHS angle using this formula or this formula. ठीक है ना. So what is the formula of cos a plus cos b? 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. बस ये ध्यान रखना है. What is a? 6x plus 4x divided by 2. 10x divided by 2 5x. 6x minus 4x 2x divided by 2 x. आ गया ना. So this formula is giving me the RHS angle. That's why we will apply that formula. ठीक है ना. Otherwise we would have thought something else. You would have thought cos 2x लगाते हैं, cos 2 theta लगाते हैं, cos 2 theta लगाते हैं, like this. Okay, sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta. Why I'm applying this formula? Because I'm getting the angle of RHS. ये सोचना है आपको. So cos a plus cos b, 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Similarly, sin a minus sin b. What is the formula of sin a minus sin b? 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. यहाँ भी देखना. देखो इसमें आने से x आएगा ना एंगल. So 2 cos a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. So when you solve it, 2 will cancel out. Cos 5x cos 5x cos x sin x. Cos 5x cos 5x will cancel out. आगे ना अपने आप cot x. So you don't have to worry about this trigonometry. You have to worry only about the angle. So in every question you have to observe, okay, the angles of LHS and RHS, and then only we will proceed. Okay. Now see how the level is changing. In this we have left with only 2 cos. So direct formula लग रहा था cos a plus cos b. यहाँ पे देखो 3 है. cos. अब क्या करूं? cos आ गया. अब क्या करूं? So in these questions what you have to do, You have to pair any two such that in the LHS the third angle will come out. ऐसे दो को पेयर करो कि थर्ड एंगल दिखे. How many angles are there? 3 angles, 4x, 3x and 2x. You have to pair two so that we get the third angle. क्यों? ताकि कॉमन आ जाए. Okay, कॉमन भी लाना है ना मेरे को. Let's go to the next question. Okay, now see. Second question, I'm taking the LHS. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x whole divided by sin 4x, sin 3x and sin 2x. Now here, what I told you, check out the LHS and RHS angle. LHS angle देखो, RHS angle देखो. ठीक है ना? RHS angle 3x है. तो यहाँ पे तो 3x है. Two ways we can think, हाँ. यहाँ पे तो 3x है. That means we need to work with these two. Because वो angle मुझे चाहिए. One is this method. From there we understand that we need to compare these two. We need to apply formula here so that we can get the angle of 3x. Clear? Or the next method. We have 3 terms here. Out of the 3 terms, you have to combine 2 terms such that the third angle you got. Like for example, मैं compare करता हूँ 4x plus 3x को. तो इसका जो फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, एक एंगल ऐसा आएगा a plus b divided by 2, एक एंगल आएगा a minus b divided by 2. This is what 7x by 2 and this is x by 2. यहाँ पे एंगल कितना है 2. If I compare these two, angle is 2x. 2x आया नहीं आया, 2x आया नहीं आया. That means we cannot compare these two. You understood? Let's go for 3x and 2x. 3x a plus b divided by 2, a minus b divided by 2. अभी आया नहीं आया. 5x by 2 and x by 2. और अभी नहीं आ रहा है 2x. 4x, sorry. I am comparing these two. I should get 4x. अगर मैं इन दोनों को कंपेयर करूं मुझे 4x मिलना चाहिए. मिला 4x नहीं आया. Okay, so in this way, so what we left with 4x and 2x. 4x plus 2x divided by 2, 6x by 2, 3x आ रहा है 3x. Okay, so there are 2 ways to understand it. One through the LHS and RHS concept. In the LHS we have an angle 4x, 3x and 2x. And in the RHS we have an angle of 3x. Since we already have an angle 3x, that means you will not do anything with this two. You have to work with these two. That means you have to apply formula with these two. What is this method? The second method is that in the LHS there are 3 angles. This is actually a fundamental method. In the LHS we have 3 angles. We have to compare those two such that you get the third angle so that the things can come out common. तो ठीक है, मैं इसको कंपेयर करना है. मुझे समझ में आ गया कैसे कंपेयर करने. पता चल गया मेरे को. तो इन दोनों को साथ में लिख रहा हूँ. Plus this. I'm rearranging the term. Again this and this I'm writing together. Plus this. Now cos a plus cos b, 2 cos a plus b by 2. So every question I will not write each and every line. To a plus b, 4x plus 2, 6x by 2 into cos a minus b by 2, 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2. So in the previous step I have shown the addition. Here I missed one line. Next question I will leave this also. I will directly write for the answer. So try to understand we are applying the formula, how we are applying the formula. Okay. This I am remaining like this. Again sin a plus sin b, 2 sin a plus b by 2 to cos a minus b by 2. 4x minus 2x is 2x by 2. Now see 2 cos 3x cos x, 2x by 2 cos x plus cos 3x, 2 sin 3x cos x plus sin 3x. Now see क्यों किया था ऐसा. देखो cos 3x बाहर आ जाएगा कॉमन. तो what you left with 2 cos x plus 1, 2 sin 3x कॉमन आ गया. 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1 cancel out. Cos 3x by sin 3x is cot 3x, that is RHS. So the main agenda is the angles. You have to observe the angles and then you need to proceed with the question. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Okay, now see the fourth one. थोड़ा और अलग. पहले 2 टर्म था, डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला लगा दिया. फिर 3 टर्म आया, 2 को कंबाइन किया सच दैट द थर्ड एंगल कैन कम. अब 4 है. देखो 4 है. सो टेक द LHS. sin x, sin 4x, sin 5x, sin 7x. अब क्या करूं भैया, किन के साथ काम करूं. एंड इन द RHS एंगल ऑफ 4x, 2x, x. तो अब मैं RHS LHS एंगल देखूंगा तो पागल हो जाऊंगा. Okay, try to see the only LHS part. Try to make like angles. We need to apply the formula. we have a formula of sin A plus sin B. That means 2 I have to combine. There are 4. In this case, what we did, 2 combined such that a third is coming out common. यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा, दो का पेयर बनाना पड़ेगा such that something can come out common. अभी कॉमन बनाने के लिए लाइक एंगल्स भी तो होना चाहिए ना, देन ओनली कॉमन आएगा. ओके, तो क्या करूं मैं, देखो तो x plus 7x 8x 5x plus 3x 8x आ रहा है ना, सेम एंगल. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, so 4 है, so we will make pair 2 pairs so the angles are like. Okay, I will combine these two. If I combine these two, 3x plus x, 4x, 5x plus 5x, 7x plus 5x, 12x, अलग अलग आ रहा है. So if I combine this and this, the angles become equal. So I'm writing these two together, sin x plus sin 7x, plus these two together, sin 3x plus sin 5x. Okay, now apply the formula, sin A plus sin B, 2 sin A plus B by 2, x plus 7x, 8x divided by 2, into cos A minus B by 2, x minus 7x is minus 6x divided by 2, plus, again sin A plus sin B, 2 sin A plus B by 2, 3x plus 5x divided by 2, that is 8x, and A minus B by 2, 3x minus 5x, 2x minus 2x by 2. Okay, now this become 4x, this become 3x, cos of minus 3x, cos of minus theta, cos theta होता है, so 2 sin 4x cos 3x minus God, because cos of minus theta क्या होता है, cos theta होता है. यही अगर इधर sin होता तो minus आगे आ जाता. Clear? Okay, now similarly 2 sin 4x cos of minus x become cos x. Now देखो कॉमन आ गया, sin 4x 2 sin 4x 2 sin 4x, इसलिए तो लाइक टर्म्स को कंबाइन किया था such that the angle becomes same. Clear? तो 2 sin 4x common. What is left with here? Cos 3x. What is left with here? Cos x. अब क्या करो? Check the RHS. Sin 4x we got, but this is in plus form. I need in into form. See, पूरा into के फॉर्म में चाहिए. तो इसके साथ में क्या करूँगी? into आ जाए. फॉर्मूला लगाओ cos a plus cos b का. cos a plus cos b का फॉर्मूला लगाओगे तो आंसर into में आएगा. 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Cos a plus b by 2, 3x plus x, 4x by 2 into cos a minus b by 2, 3x minus x, 2x by 2. तो this 2 to the 4 sin 4x, cos 2 और 4 कटेगा, cos 2x, 2 और 2 कटेगा, cos x. So this is the RHS. You understood? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay class, now you go to the fourth one. Now see, in the first question direct formula, in the second question we think about combining 2 so that we get the third angle. In the third question, since there are 4, we are making a pair of 2 so that we can get a common term. Fourth question is quite tricky. जैसे मैं कर रहा हूं सिर्फ वो मत देखो, पहले सोचो. Try to focus on what I am talking about. Let's take the LHS. Sin 8x cos x minus sin 6x cos 3x cos 2x cos x minus sin 4x sin x. देखो तो ये एक फॉर्मूला में है, इट इज इन समवॉट इन अ फॉर्मूला पैटर्न. देखो sin cos ऐसा एक फॉर्मूला है, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b equals to sin of a minus b, है ना. sin cos. तो फ्रॉम दिस आई विल अंडरस्टैंड sin cos. सो दिस मे बी इन दिस फॉर्मूला, मे बी, बट टू बी इन दिस फॉर्मूला ये a और ये b और ये b सेम होना चाहिए, एंगल सेम होना चाहिए. तो sin के साथ 8x है तो इधर cos के साथ 3x है, एंगल मैच नहीं है. यहाँ पे sin के साथ 8 है, cos के साथ a है ना, सो द एंगल शुड मैच नहीं कर रहा, मतलब ये फॉर्मूला नहीं लगेगा, बट लग सकता था क्योंकि ये ऑलमोस्ट फॉर्मूला में था, बट द एंगल्स आर नॉट मैचिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द फॉर्मूला. सिमिलरली चेक आउट दिस cos sin है ना सब फॉर्मूला, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b हो सकता है. सो लेट्स चेक a b b, एंगल 2x नहीं है, x नहीं है, दैट मींस ये फॉर्मूला भी नहीं लगेगा. क्लियर? तो ये फॉर्मूलाज नहीं लग रहे. डन? तो अब क्या फॉर्मूला लगेगा? सो द होल ऑल टुगेदर इट्स नॉट मेकिंग एनी फॉर्मूला. सो लेट्स सी वन बाय वन. sin a cos b, sin something to cos something. Is there any formula? Yes, we have a formula. 2 sin a cos b, sin something into cos something. Angles are different, na? So 2 sin a cos b. Formula is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. So to do these questions, to think in this way, you need to know all the formulas in ellipse. Then only you can do these questions. Okay? So 2 sin a cos b, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Similarly, again 2 sin a cos b. तो साइन ए कॉस बी तो है, साइन ए कॉस बी तो है लेकिन 2 नहीं है, साइन ए कॉस बी तो है लेकिन 2 नहीं है, कॉस ए कॉस बी, यस वी हैव अ फार्मूला, 2 कॉस ए कॉस बी का फार्मूला भी है, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, ठीक है। then sin a sin b, yes that also we have a formula, 2 sin a sin b, sin cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, formula तो है, but what is the problem, we don't have 2, so in this normal general step what I told you, try to, if it's not matching with the formula, try to make it in a formula, right? so क्या कमी है formula बनने के लिए, 2 का, so multiplying 2 dividing by 2, 2 ऊपर, not dividing, multiplying 2 in the numerator, multiplying 2 in the denominator, बैलेंस तो हो जाएगा ना, 2 निकल के कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो इज बैलेंस ऑलरेडी, सो ऊपर नीचे में 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दे रहा हूं, क्यों मल्टीप्लाई किया, क्योंकि ये वाला फॉर्मूला लगाना है, ये वाला क्यों फॉर्मूला लगाना है, क्योंकि पूरा फॉर्मूला नहीं लग सकता, ओके। अपना फॉर्मूला 2 sin a cos b, sin of a plus b 8x plus x 9x plus sin of a minus b, ये है ना फॉर्मूला, sin of a minus b 8x minus x 7x minus, put a bracket, since we have minus, put a bracket, 2 sin a cos b, again sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b 6x minus 3x, okay, whole divided by 2 cos a cos b, cos a cos b, cos of a plus b 2x plus x 3x plus cos of a minus b 2x minus x minus x, okay, minus 2 sin a sin b, ये फॉर्मूला थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो, उल्टा है, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, so cos of a minus b 4x minus 3x x minus cos of a plus b 4x plus 3x 7x, now अब देखो जब मैंने ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट minus 9 ये कट जाएगा, sin 7x minus sin 3x, मैंने ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट cos x will cancel out, minus minus plus हो जाएगा, cos 3x plus cos 7x, now अब क्या करूं उसके साथ, we need tan 2x, तो ये थोड़ी देर पहले सॉल्व किया था फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमने, sin a minus sin b सॉल्व कर दो, sin a minus sin b, 2 cos a plus b by 2 7x plus 3x 8x divided by 2, okay sorry 7x plus 3x 10x divided by 2 5x आ जाएगा, okay 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 7x minus 3x 4x divided by 2 2x, again cos a plus cos b, cos a plus cos b 2 cos a plus b by 2 3x plus 7x divided by 2 5x cos a minus b by 2, so cos of a minus b by 2 क्या हो जाएगा, 3x minus 7x by 2, that is how much, cos of minus 4x by 2, that is cos of minus 2x, cos of minus 2x is cos 2x, तो मैं डायरेक्टली लिख दिया, now this thing is cancelling out, tan sin by cos is tan 2x, we got the answer, okay class, okay let's go to the next question, okay now so this last question of this video, prove that cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma plus cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to 4 cos alpha plus beta by gamma by 2 cos beta plus gamma by 2 plus cos gamma plus alpha by 2, this is gamma, actually ऐसा बना दो gamma, this is alpha and this is beta, अब इसमें भी 4 टर्म्स है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, दो को कंबाइन करना पड़ेगा, किन दो को कंबाइन करेंगे, हम कैसे करते थे, add them and find like terms, इसमें देखना किसी भी दो को ऐड कर दो लाइक टर्म्स नहीं होगा, तो इस क्वेश्चन का एक फंडामेंटल ये है कि तुम किसी भी दो को कंबाइन करो, आंसर निकालो, कॉमन टर्म आ जाएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अल्फा प्लस बीटा प्लस गामा तीनों एक साथ है, सो यू कंबाइन एनी टू, दिस एंड दिस, दिस एंड दिस, और दिस एंड दिस, दिस एंड दिस, व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम कंबाइनिंग द फर्स्ट टू एंड द सेकंड टू, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी, यू कैन कंबाइन एनीथिंग यू वांट, यू विल गेट द आंसर, लेकिन 2 कॉम्बिनेशन करना, ठीक है, सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद LHS, okay combine cos a plus cos b, 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b alpha minus beta by 2 plus cos a plus cos b, 2 cos gamma plus this whole divided by 2 into cos gamma minus this whole divided by 2, okay now इसको वैसे लिखेंगे, कुछ नहीं कर सकते इसको फर्दर, बट इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, अल्फा प्लस बीटा 2 गामा डिवाइडेड बाय 2 cos, अब ध्यान ये वाला ध्यान से देखना, गामा गामा विल कैंसिल आउट, you will get like this minus alpha minus beta by 2, इसको मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूं minus alpha plus beta by 2, what is cos of minus alpha, what is cos of minus theta, cos theta, तो मैं डायरेक्टली ये लिख दिया, okay you understand this, now can you see anything common, देखो कॉमन आ गया, मतलब we are doing correct, कॉमन नहीं आता then there is an issue, we got common 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2, 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2, what you left with this here plus this thing, अब क्या करूं, इट इज इन प्लस फॉर्म, वी वांट द आंसर इन इनटू फॉर्म, अगेन अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला, cos a plus cos b, This is the reason why I'm doing this sum. Students get mistakes here. Cos A plus cos B. 2 cos A plus B whole divided by 2. Okay, so they get they get confused about this 2 divided by 2. That is A. B whole divided by 2 तो करना पड़ेगा ना. Again cos A minus B divided by 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 4 cos this. इसको solve करो. LCM same है तो ऊपर में add हो जाएगा. And LCM at this becomes 4. So alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta plus 2 gamma. Okay, from the beta will cancel out. Can you see? Alpha plus alpha becomes 2 alpha plus 2 gamma divided by 4. So 2 alpha plus 2 gamma divided by 4. मतलब क्या? Alpha plus gamma divided by 2. 2 common आएगा कटेगा. So then I have written here alpha plus gamma divided by 2. Same goes for this. Minus 2 beta minus 2 alpha. So cos of minus 2 beta minus 2 gamma divided by 2 divided by 4. फिर से 2 बाहर निकालो, minus 2 बाहर निकालो, क्या बचेगा? Beta plus gamma divided by 4. तो ये क्या हो गया? Cos of minus theta becomes cos theta. Okay, that is equals to RHS and your job is done. Proved. Is that okay, class? Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you. Hello, class level students. Welcome back. In this video also we'll continue with the questions. Now, let's start with the question. This is the question which is very important with respect to examination. In most of the school, maximum times this question comes. Okay, prove that cos 10, cos 30, cos 50, cos 70 equals 3 by 16. Okay, this sort of many, it is cos. You may face sin. And then both combo of cos and sin, it is tan. So there are 3 types of sums. Okay, now let's start with the LHS. Whenever you see this term 10, cos something plus cos something plus cos something plus cos, see nicely. Is there any angle whose value I already know? That is the angle which is standard. Cos 30. Cos 30 is standard angle. We know the value of cos 30, root 3 by 2. So in the place of cos 30, I am writing root 3 by 2. It is a multiplication form, na? So we can write in any way. Rearrange कर सकते हैं. Root 3 by 2 आगे लिख दिया. Cos 10, cos 50, cos 70. Okay. Now after this, what we will do? Can you see any formula? So there is only one formula, we can say cos A into cos B. But there are 3, cos A, cos B, cos C. 3 है ना, cos something into cos something into cos something. 3 तो है. तो मैं क्या करूँ? मेरे पास तो फॉर्मूला है. ये 2 cos A, cos B फॉर्मूला है. What is the formula? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay. So what we will do? In this question, you don't have to think anything extra. You can combine any two you want. Like see here. So we need to apply the formula. So multiplying 2, dividing by 2. So if you multiply 2, ऊपर में into 2, नीचे 2 to the 4 हो जाएगा. Cos 10 and then 2 into these two. I am combining these two. It's okay if you keep it cos 70 here and combine 2, so cos 10, cos 50. Then also you will get the answer. In the next question, I will do it in that way. Any way you want, you combine any two out of these 3, you apply the formula with these 2 cos A cos B or 2 cos A cos B or 2 cos A cos B. You will get the answer definitely. There is no funda here. Okay. So what I am doing? Multiplying 2, dividing by 2. So 2 to the 4 हो जाएगा cos 10 and here 2 cos A cos B. Now apply the formula 2 cos A cos B. This thing remains like this 2 cos A cos B. Now what I am doing, out of 50 and 70 is more. तो यहाँ पे जो A minus B है ना, ये पॉजिटिव आने के लिए मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, इसको A मान रहा हूं, इसको B मान रहा हूं. Okay, just to so that we don't get negative term. So 2 cos A cos B, cos of A plus B 70 plus 50 120 plus cos of A minus B 70 minus 50 20. Okay, after this step, whatever angle you got here, see, can we calculate any angle? 120, can we break 120? Yes, we can break 120 as 90 plus 30. Break कर सकता हूं. So 90 plus 30, 120 is close to 90 or 180. So you can break using 180 also. You can break using 90 also. And while breaking, one angle is standard and one angle is terminal. So since one angle is terminal, we can use coordinate concept. And this is standard. So it's efficient to break it. ब्रेक करने से फायदा होगा क्योंकि ये स्टैंडर्ड है. हाँ, अगर ये 90 plus 50 होता तब ब्रेक करके कोई फायदा नहीं. विल नॉट ब्रेक इट दैट टाइम. बिकॉज 50 आ गया, 50 का मैं क्या करूंगा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट स्टेप, use terminal to break. Second step, after breaking, the other one should be a standard angle. 90 plus second coordinate cos negative होता है. This is 90. Y axis changeable. Cos becomes sin 30. What is sin 30? Minus half. So now see, in the place of cos 120, I am writing minus half. I am not showing those steps here because it becomes very lengthy. Plus cos 20. Now how to break cos 20? अगर मैं cos 20 को break करूँ तो मुझे क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? 20 is close to 90. So can I say 90 minus 70? Now, while breaking, कोई फायदा हुआ? Again, नॉन स्टैंडर्ड एंगल आ गया, इसलिए कोई फायदा नहीं है ब्रेक करके. So I am not breaking it. I am keeping it like this. Now multiply the whole thing. Root 3 by 4 into minus half minus root 3 by 8 cos 10 and this into this plus root 3 by 4 cos 10 into cos 20 हो गया. अब इसके साथ तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, तो keep it like this. इसके साथ फिर से देखो cos से cos भी आ रहा है. So again 2 into 2 divide. 4 to the 8, 2 into cos 20. बड़े वाले को आगे लिखा, छोटे वाले को पीछे लिखा. Just to remove that minus sign. Again, this is A, this is B. बड़ा वाला 20. 2 cos A cos B. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 20 minus 10. Now here again we know this value. Here ये वाला मुझे पता था, निकाल सकता था. यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट पता है. तो put the value. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus cos 10. 10 के साथ कुछ नहीं कर सकता. 90 minus 80 लिखना पड़ेगा. 80 is again a non-standard angle. So I'm keeping it like this. Clear? Now value डाल दिया. बाकी everything in this side. Now multiply minus root 3 by 8 cos 10 plus root 3 by 8 into root 3 by 2 3 by 16. देखो आंसर आ गया. But plus root 3 by 8 cos 10. तो अब देखो ये प्लस में ये माइनस में. Always you will get with the answer 2 extra terms. Always if you combine these two, then also after solving you will get, you got the answer. We got the RHS, but with that you will get 2 extra terms. Here the extra terms are directly equal, so we are cancelling out plus minus plus. Sometimes they are not equal. The angles are not equal. Then what you do, break it and make the angles equal. मान लो तुमने ये दो को कंबाइन किया तो क्या होगा, सब कुछ सेम आएगा, आंसर भी आ जाएगा, बट यहाँ पे मान लो 980 आया, यहाँ पे 10 आया, like this. Okay, then you have to break 80 as 90 minus 10 like this. Do you understand? Then the things will cancel out. Always it will cancel out and you will get the answer. Okay, so let's do one more sum. Okay class, next question. Sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 80 equals to 3 by 6. We prove a similar type sum, but it is in sin form. LHS, sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 80. First see, do we have any standard angle? Yes, we have sin 60. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Rest क्या बचा? ये और ये. अब मैंने previous question में इन दो को combine किया था. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, इन दो को combine करूँगा. So इसको मैं आगे लिख दिया और इन दो को साथ में लिखा 2 into 2 divided. So 2 to the 4 into 2. Why 2? So that it becomes a formula. Okay. मैं बताऊंगा, like in the previous question we combined the last two and we got the answer. Here we'll combine the first two, we'll get the answer. Okay. So anyway you combine, you will get the answer in this type of questions. So you multiply 2 into 2, क्यों किया समझ में आ गया, फॉर्मूला बनाने के लिए. So 2 sin A sin B, बड़े वाले को ले रहा हूँ, 2 sin A sin B. So formula is cos of A minus B, A minus B, 20, 40 minus 20, 20, minus cos of A plus B, 40 plus 20, 60. Now at this step, this angle is standard, put the value, root 3 by 4 sin 80, cos 20 minus cos 60 is half, हो गया. 20 को तोड़ के फायदा नहीं है, 20 को 90 minus 70 लिखेंगे, 70 is again a non-standard angle, so we will not break it. These things you need to understand, क्यों break नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्यों break कर रहे हैं, रट्टा मारने से नहीं होगा, try to understand. Okay, now multiply it. Root 3 by 4 sin 80 into cos 20 minus root 3 by 4 into half root 3 by 8 sin 80. Clear? Okay. Now इसके साथ तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता, इससे फिर से फॉर्मूला बनेगा sin A is cos B. Again 2 into 2 divided. 2 for the 8 into 2 sin A cos B. Again put a formula 2 sin A cos B. Sin of A plus B 80 plus 20. 100 plus sin of A minus B 80 minus 20 60. Out of this value, this is standard, into कर दो. Root 3 by 4 sin 100. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 8. 3 by 60 minus this. Now see, I told you at the end, whichever you combine, you will get the answer. With that, you will get 2 extra terms. पिछले क्वेश्चन में ये दोनों सेम था एंगल्स, अब ये दोनों एंगल सेम नहीं है. So क्या करोगे? सेम बनाओ यूजिंग कोऑर्डिनेट कॉन्सेप्ट. इस 100 को let's do it here. Sin of 100. Can I write? साइन ऑफ 180 माइनस 80, 100 आएगा ना. So I'm bringing 100 as 180 minus 80. Now this is 180. You can use quadrant concept. So 180 minus second quadrant sign positive होता है. 180 is x-axis, unchangeable. Sign will remain sign 80. So in the place of this, I can write like this, sin 80. So those things you can do in rough. Plus 3 by 16 minus root 3 by 8 sin 80. देखो इक्वल बन गया. So किसी क्वेश्चन में डायरेक्टली इक्वल आ जाएगा, किसी क्वेश्चन में मुझे इक्वल बनाना पड़ेगा, लेकिन बनेगा जरूर. At the end, out of the answer, except the answer, you will always get two terms. Okay, out of this, sometimes the angles will be same, sometimes you need to make the angles same. हो गया. 3 by 16 is the answer. Okay? Okay, let's go for the next one. Class, this video is already quite lengthy. Let's stop here only. Okay? One exercise I've completed. I will be sending you the PDF. You just practice those questions on it. Okay? Thank you very much.